Oh, what's going on, guys? We're out at Dollywood today. You excited?
So excited.
Well, we're going to show you a little bit of a new section of the park, Wildwood Grove.
Yeah, we haven't shown Wildwood Grove or the carnival area now that I'm thinking about it.
Yeah.
But tonight's the last night of the summer nights stuff where they do the fireworks and the drone show. So we haven't been all summer, or for the summer show. So we wanted to come so we could show you all the drone show and so we can see it because it's the first time they've done the drone show. Yep.
So we're going to do that, but first thing we're going to do is going to eat because I'm hungry. We're going to go try out the new Mexican place we've not ate at.
I think it's Mexican. I'm not positive. I want to show you all the Dollywood app. I was playing on it some at home, but it doesn't show you like the menus for the restaurants or anything like that, and it doesn't show you the like if there's mobile ordering, which I don't think there is any mobile ordering in the park, which I think they should do.
Yeah.
But I want to see if once we get into the park, if maybe the menus pop up, because on the way here, I was trying to see how busy it was, because I knew it was going to be busy. I mean, it's summer, and school's getting ready to start back, and everybody's vacationing, but I was trying to check, like, the wait times for the rides, and that normally pops up for me. So I'm wondering if maybe it's just because I'm not inside the park.
Could be.
So I'll check it. But I wanted to, like, show you all kind of how the app works, because it's pretty handy, but I wish they would bring in mobile ordering with it.
We had to park all the way in F today.
Yeah.
So.
Family fun.
All right. Let's get it going.
Let's go ride our favorite ride. They're like mini ears, but they're butterfly ears.
Well,
it's hot.
It's hot. And we're waiting for food. We've been waiting since 1 o'clock. It's 3:30. We skipped the Mexican place in Wildwood Grove because the line wasn't moving.
Well, we were wanting like a set down.
Yeah, and it wasn't.
No, it's not. We've never been in there, so we didn't know.
But we've got our name in over here at the Back Porch Cafe. Front Porch Cafe. We're waiting to go in there, and Jody bought her some.
I bought these ears.
She bought her some ears.
I've been waiting for Dollywood to do this.
Yeah.
And I'm so excited. And I keep getting looks, but I don't care.
She don't care.
I don't care.
But yeah, we're gonna go eat. We'll show you what we're gonna get. And
we've looked in about every single store while we've waited.
Which they should have seen in the B-roll that I've been shooting.
Yeah. Well, you didn't shoot like all the stores that we've been in.
I shot some stuff from some.
I don't really plan on writing anything. I thought maybe we would watch some shows later because we're really here for those fireworks.
Yeah. Fireworks and the drone show, so we'll see.
Yeah. So we're just kind of
walking around.
Yeah.
But we're going to go grab something to eat here in a minute, hopefully.
It's busy. It's for sure back to 100%. Like capacity. But I don't think there's. Do you want me to hold it?
No, I got
it. Down. I don't think that staff is fully back to 100% because there's a lot of food places closed, and that's why all of the restaurants that are open, even the grab and go places, the lines are ridiculous to get food, and it has been since we got here. But it's because all the other. There's a bunch that's closed and a bunch that, you know, they just don't have the staff to run it.
Yeah.
So, if you're coming, You're gonna have to be patient.
I wish they had more fill-up water stations. We've only seen one, and we've walked around half the park. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna go grab some food. I'm burning up. I gotta get some food in me. Gotta get something to drink.
Yeah, it still says it's 90 out.
Yeah.
So it's hot.
We're gonna go do that, and we'll catch back up with you.
Yep.
All right. So we just finished eating at the Back Porch Cafe.
Front porch cafe.
Whatever. Front porch, back porch. It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just got burgers and fries. She got the
Beyond Meat burger. I always get that there. Cause I don't know. Here lately, if I have a choice between the Beyond Meat or the Impossible Meat against hamburger meat, I go with the Beyond Meat. I just like it better.
So now we're going to wait in line to watch a show.
Okay, we're going to watch Bread the Pine Theater. I can't remember what the show's called.
Yeah.
Let me see.
So we're going to watch this show.
Dreamland Driving.
Dreamland Driving. And then we'll mosey on out after that. Something else.
Yeah. Who knows?
Alrighty. Moving on.
We're gonna light up the sky with our 3D drones and fireworks. But for the time being, we're gonna learn some line dances and turn all the way up.
spooky. So we just watched the drone show and the fireworks. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, we couldn't really see it very well. The drone show, we couldn't see very well.
Yeah, because there was a big tree that kind of blocked everything out. So we missed that. But
I put what I could on my Instagram.
yeah.
I don't think, because I was too excited, I don't think that I will tag our page.
But I got something. I did. You probably have already seen it.
Yeah.
So there was a bit, it was better if you could see the whole thing. But
it was so pretty. The butterfly was like the best part, of course.
The dance show was really cool.
Yeah, if I could have got down on that dance floor, I would have so been dancing.
There was probably 20,000 people, no joke, in this park at that time.
In this section of the park.
In this section of the park.
Like, because all the other sections are closed.
Yep.
So it was a lot of people.
Insane. Hope y'all enjoyed the videos. You know, the food was good earlier.
Yeah.
The show we went and watched, we couldn't film it because there's no video allowed inside.
Yeah.
But it was really good too.
It was so good.
Yep.
I loved it. If you come to Dollywood, go watch that show.
Yeah. What was the name of it?
Dreamland Drive-In.
Yeah, it's in the 50 section.
In the Pines Theater.
Yep. So hope y'all enjoyed this little montage. We're wrapping up, trying to wait to get outside. And
yeah, I imagine the line for the trams are ridiculous right now.
we ended up having to park in B because F wasn't working. So we're going to end up probably just walking back.
I don't know about that. Maybe. I don't know yet.
Yeah.
We'll see.
But yeah, we had a good time.
Yep.
Hope y'all enjoyed the small vlog we did.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Yes.
And follow us on Instagram at
A Little Bit More JJ.
And check us out. We're all spooky.
Yeah, I can't wait for the Harvest Festival.
Oh yeah, it's going to be nice.
Luminites is next.
Alright guys, we'll see you next time.
Bye.